What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I picked up the camera and made a video for you guys, but here I am. So what's been up with me in the car? Well, I've been going to school and working, so it's been really hard for me to bust out the camera and record a video for you guys, but I'm gonna try my best to get back on the grind, bust out some videos for you guys. And as far as the car, it has a handful of new things added to it, which I'm gonna make a designated video for that, for mine and Ivan's car, what's all new done to them. Speaking of Ivan, this video is kind of like gonna showcase his car, because we went to a Spring Fest here locally. It's like a big car show. So a few days ago I recorded a little bit of footage of us data logging Ivan's car, which you guys will see in a second. Ivan's car is full bolt-on. It's a full bolt-on S550 3.7. He's got long tube headers, no cats, off-road H-pipe. He's tuned by AMR. That's who he's data logging with. He's on 85. And if you don't know who AMR is, it's short for Auto Mafia Racing. It's one of the bigger tuners for the 3.7. Yeah, Ivan's full bolt-on. He has ported intakes, 373s, throttle body, and all the fucking bolt-on mods that I don't know. I actually had Paul from P3 Performance hit me up, and he's gonna be sending me a set of ported intake manifolds. So we're gonna be pretty much full bolt-on on my car, and it'll be interesting to see how my car lines up against Ivan's. So Ivan, if you're watching this, we gotta line up my car now before I get my ported intakes against your car, because I'm not full bolt-on yet. Ivan is. He's on 85 and has ported intakes. So last time we raced, I pulled on him on the top end. And you guys don't know, I'm tuned by MPT. So, and speaking of ported intakes, if you guys are in the market for some ported intake manifolds for your 3.7 liter Mustang, your V6, hit up P3 Performance on Facebook, and my boy Paul will hook you up with a set of ported intakes. And why should you go to P3 Performance over any other company? Well, check out this video. So as you can see, the car that was not the camera car, the one on the outside, had P3 Performance ported intakes, and the camera car also had ported intakes. So I don't know, that's just another reason to go with P3 Performance intakes. But yeah, enjoy some of the footage from Spring Fest and us data logging Ivan's car, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Show you up? Revving! Yes, I got Ivan to rev. You shit on that Civic. Where we at, Jacob?
We at Spring Fest.
Spring Fest? Hey. Spring Fest?
Yeah.
Thunderbird pilot?
Yeah.
vlog the Thunderbird for Auto Mafia. If you guys don't know, Ivan's on E85, so he's getting a race tune from Auto Mafia. He recently lowered it too, look. Oh my god, Ivan. You see Poppy right here? Looking good. The new 305s.
Last night, it felt great, dude, on 375.
How fast did you hit?
I didn't just eat it, I was just right here. With the first
Test it? Oh, I mean, push it already? Look at us here. 2019.
The OK thing.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What do we hit?
90.
90. In
It's
Mexico.
too short to fucking hit it.
In Mexico.
It's too short to fucking hit it.
90. Dang it, we gotta hit 100, man. That's the magic number.
I doubt we hit it here.
Here? I don't think I've raced here and hit. I've hit like right below 100 here when we used to race here.
You never hit 100 then?
I think I hit maybe right at 100. Oh shit, my bad. Gotta close the data log. Where? Right here, here. The road. Okay?
I hope that's not.
Did I push okay?
Yeah. Shit.
Alright.
Oh my god.
We're in Mexico, it's okay.
No, we're in that beach. And fuck, I don't know what's in front of me. I wish I had a fucking cop radar.
Oh, I started it. Finally, man.
You know what?
Alright. I think it's good.
First pass.
Alright. Started. In Mexico.